is the best Christmas if there are lots of snow, they said.
Who said that?
They said if it's not cold and it's not snowing, it's not a Christmas. It's the best one is like this.
She gotta stuck with that.
Oh my God, she's
Stuck.
stuck, yeah. It's not easy if two-wheel drive only, if like this.
No, those cars.
If you're stuck in the middle of the road, and especially in where you wanna go, oh, nobody will help you. Oh my gosh, look at the road. Oh my gosh. Oh my. You are lucky because this is four-wheel drive.
Well, that's why we bought it.
I like four-wheel drive because this is the one I'm scared if they stuck on the snow. And then nobody will help you if you are in the middle of the road or the
No, people
somewhere.
is really nice here. They all
Really?
help. Oh yeah, they all help.
Why
Because they
look,
all been in the same shoes.
look in our place, there's too much snow. I don't know what happened. Only in our place is lots, tons of snow. Look at that. It's terrible.